Everything you see, cities, oceans, forests, every living soul, is made from matter forged in the first terrifying seconds of creation. The hydrogen in your blood, the iron in your veins, all of it was born in unimaginable violence. This is the story of our universe, a story that begins with nothing and ends in eternal darkness. The terrifying true story of our universe. Part 1. The birth of everything. In the beginning, there was no space, no time, no light, only absolute nothingness. Then, in a single instant of pure fury, the Big Bang erupted. From a point smaller than an atom, the universe exploded into existence with infinite temperature and infinite violence. But the greatest question still haunts us. What came before the Big Bang? How did something come from nothing? Physicists now believe the answer lies in the quantum vacuum, a seething sea of particles constantly popping in and out of existence. Empty space is not empty. And in one random, violent quantum fluctuation, our entire universe may have been born. Part 2. The insane expansion. Right after birth, the infant universe did something impossible. It underwent cosmic inflation, expanding faster than the speed of light in a fraction of a second. From smaller than an atom to the size of the observable universe in the blink of an eye. This explosive growth smoothed out the cosmos and made it flat, setting the stage for everything that would follow. Part 3. Birth of a violent solar system. Billions of years later, in a quiet corner of the galaxy, our solar system formed. But its childhood was a nightmare of destruction. Thousands of protoplanets collided at 20,000 miles per hour. Worlds shattered. Planets were devoured. Then came the final cataclysm. A Mars-sized planet called Theia slammed into the early Earth in a glancing blow that nearly destroyed our world. The impact melted Earth into a 600-mile deep ocean of magma. Debris blasted into space, forming not one, but two moons. Eventually, those moons collided and merged into the single massive moon we see today. Without this giant moon stabilizing Earth's tilt, life as we know it may never have existed. Part 4. The mystery of Earth's water. The newborn Earth was completely dry. So where did our vast oceans come from? Scientists once blamed comets, but when we tasted their water, it was wrong. Too much heavy water. The real heroes were ancient asteroids from the belt between Mars and Jupiter. During the late heavy bombardment, billions of water-rich asteroids rained down on Earth. The heat of impact released their trapped water, which fell as rain, filling our oceans. The water you drink today is billions of years old, delivered from the ruins of a failed planet. Part 5. The spark of life. Then came the greatest miracle of all. Deep in the crushing darkness of the ocean floor, alkaline hydrothermal vents began to form. These towering chimneys weren't just rock, they were natural chemical factories. Warm, mineral-rich fluids mixed with cold seawater, creating tiny pockets the exact size of cells, with natural energy flowing through their walls. For millions of years, chemistry danced on the edge of biology, until one day, it crossed the line. Life was born, not in a sunny primordial soup, but in total darkness, powered by the raw energy of the Earth itself. Part 6. The end of everything. But every story has an ending, and ours is coming. Dark energy is tearing the universe apart, faster and faster. The galaxies are fleeing from each other. Stars will burn out. Black holes will evaporate. In the distant future, the universe will suffer a big freeze. Cold, dark, and utterly lifeless. An endless, frozen wasteland stretching into eternity. And yet, that may not be our biggest threat. Part 7. Cosmic Killers. At any moment, a gamma ray burst from a collapsing star could sweep across our planet. If one hits close enough, it would strip away our ozone layer, boil the oceans, and ignite the atmosphere. We are living on borrowed time in a dangerous universe. Even Earth's own magnetic shield is weakening. If it fails, we could suffer the same fate as Mars, a barren, airless rock. We are made of stardust, children of the Big Bang, survivors of cosmic violence. The universe is not gentle. It is brutal, beautiful, and indifferent. But against all odds, here we are, conscious, curious, asking the deepest questions. Perhaps one day we will truly understand how something came from nothing, and in that moment, we may finally know the mind of the cosmos itself. What part of this terrifying cosmic story scares you the most? Drop it in the comments. If you want to understand the universe, hit subscribe, because the story is far from over.